welcome. Today's video we are actually putting up the Boxycharm Premium Box up against the Boxycharm Base Box for October. Now this is my paid for base box, and this I'm not blaming it on Boxycharm, I'm blaming it on FedEx. This is my premium PR box from Boxycharm that apparently got to play football before it landed on my doorstep. So thanks FedEx for that. Anywho, we're going to be unboxing these boxes today. Let you guys know my thoughts on which box won for October, which one was the better deal in my opinion, all of that fun stuff. But before we jump into the video, friends, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where we always embrace it and make a jingle out of everything. Yeah, anyways, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we talk mad smack about FedEx, and you know, just have a good old time over here in this corner of the YouTube. If you like my top, it's from Tarte. I have filmed I don't know how many videos today because I love this top so much that I'm like, I feel so bougie, and it was so affordable. So I'll link it down below for you guys. My earrings are from Uncommon James, and I have on my lids the Gin Nude Latte Eyeshadow Palette from Bare Minerals. I had no idea how amazing the Bare Minerals eyeshadow formula is. I'm living for it. I love it. And that is what is on my eyes. On my lips, I have my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice Lip Liner. I have 5 of these in backup because that's my go-to lip liner. They're amazing. I do have a coupon code to Gerard Cosmetics. It's just Hot Mess. It'll save you 30%. And on my lips, do I have it sitting here? The lip gloss. It's actually a lip gloss that I have somewhere on this mess of a table. It's by Almay, and I don't know what I did with it, but it was in my Chic Beauty box for the October-November box. And yeah, so that's what's on my lips mixed with my Gerard Cosmetics. Anywho, longest intro ever. Welcome to the Hot Mess. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so like I said, the premium box was sent to me in PR, but the premium box is $35 a month. You do get to customize one of the items in here, and you will receive at least $175 worth of goodies. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this one first. The theme for this month's boxes is Candy Shop, and just a little reminder, November 10th is when All Access opens up for Boxy Pop-Up. You guys, I'm filming this and add-ons is still open up, and I'm like, can you guys hurry up and please close, because your girl finds so many good deals when it comes to Boxycharm add-ons and Boxy pop-up that, as excited as I am about Sephora VIB happening, I get a majority of my stuff just during add-ons. Yeah, I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm not going to weigh this just because it is just a hot doggone mess, so there's that. But I will tell you guys, this is variation 4. I'm scared to death to open this up, but the first item that everybody did receive is the Illuminati Cosmetics palette. It's where they collabed with Isabel Vidoria. However, in my paid for premium box, I did receive this. So I can show you guys, I've already opened it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a really pretty palette, and I told you guys it reminded me so much of the e.l.f. retro palette that came out over the summer. So I will definitely be creating a look as far as that goes. I have played around in this pressed glitter, and it's so pretty. Like, it is such a pretty fun glitter. Anyways, make sure to follow me over on my Instagram, because I have been putting more like makeup looks or tutorials, whatever you want to call them, over there, because they're quick, like IGTV type of videos, and then that way I feel like it's a little bit easier for you guys if you want to follow along, versus like me over here talking for, you know, 20 some minutes and boring you guys. So that's where you're going to be finding more and more makeup looks, is over on my Instagram. Okay guys, so make sure you're following me over there. A little information I forgot to tell you guys about this palette. It does have a retail value of $48, and it is an ultra versatile palette. It says you can create evening glam looks, and it's perfect for daytime looks as well. Okay, so the next item I see in here is by Laura Geller, and this is the 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. and this is in the color Ravishing Rose. This is a really pretty color. I think it's going to be perfect for the winter fall type of months, and this has a retail value of $21. It says no more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color and stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for a precise application. The built-in well delivers. Okay, whatever, I just gotta see this. Oh, sure enough, I don't think I smell anything. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it has the built-in well. You guys see how it's kind of slanted? So it, I guess, keeps the extra part in there, so it's just like a one dip type of dealio. So that is nice. That's kind of dark, so I will definitely, and ignore the fact that my sunless tanner, guys, it's not on my hands anymore. I feel like every video that I've filmed in this top, I have to like tell you guys that, because there's always that one person that calls me out and is like, your sunless tanner doesn't match, and I'm like, yeah, thanks, I know, I wash my hands a lot. Anyhow, so there is that next item. The next one I see is by Clarence. This is the Instant Smooth Base. I think it's a primer. So let's read about it. So a little bit of information about the Clarence Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. It does have a retail value of $39. It's an ultralight award-winning primer. It leaves your skin nice and smooth. It's got pearls in it, all kinds of stuff. This is a full-size item. Some of you guys said you absolutely love this, and I have like normal to kind of dry skin, and a lot of you guys said it's perfect for that. So I'm definitely excited to try it out. Clarence is a beautiful, expensive line, and it does come with like a little applicator too, so you're not having to dip your finger in there. So there is that. Retail value, like I said, $39. The next item I see in here is the Exfoliating Swipies Foolproof Exfoliating Pads for Glowing Skin by Go-To. I actually received this in my paid for box as well. So we got a full size of these. I actually saw these available for add-ons, and I am all about exfoliating pads. I use them every morning. They do have a retail value of, let's see here, retail value of $35. These single-use exfoliating pads are soaked in an all-natural solution, get rid of dead skin cells, and hydrate the skin. Love that. So that is that. The next thing I see here is by Fenty. I got a light brown liner of some kind. This is a brow liner. What? Oh my gosh. Can I pull it off? Light brown? Oh yeah. I'll be able to use that. I'm not mad about that at all. I like how precise this is. It's very similar to like my ColourPop, my Hourglass, actually some from AOA Studio that I have. This is a retail value of $20. It's an ultra-fine retractable brow pencil made for hair-like precision, born in groundbreaking range of 14 long-wear, waterproof, smudge-resistant shades, plus a built-in paddle brush for effortless blending. Oh my gosh. I remember when this released and everybody geeked out. That's cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's neat. I will definitely be using that. And let's move right along. This, I believe, was one of the choice items. This is the Kosas blush color and light cream. Oh, thank God. I love that. I love cream blushers, guys. This is in the shade Velvet Melon. And what did I pick in mine? Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is, oh, so pretty. So both of them are creams. So we'll go ahead and swatch. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. What was the, oh, I know what I picked. I picked the tinted face oil in my paid for box. I really like cream products. I feel like, especially with my mature skin, it just like makes everything look soft and glowy. Okay, so a little information about that. It does have a retail value of $34. It's ultra blendable cream blush highlighter palette, versatile duos, a balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formulas. Retail value $34. I don't want to bore you guys with all my reading. Okay, moving right along, we're going to go into my paid for base box. Now this is $25 a month, and you do get to customize one item in here, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. So jumping right in, you get a card in here as well. This is variation 48. Now I'm so excited. So I originally had picked the Farsali Quench Drops, and then like last minute changed my mind and went back and got the Murad cleanser because I love Murad so much. And this is the Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This was also available last month in add-ons, so I did pick up a couple of them for backup, and I love them. This is what I've been using in the evening every few days. You don't need to use it every single day because it is an HA BHA exfoliating cleanser, but it is such a nice gentle cleanser. I love it. It's a nice exfoliator, but again, very nice and gentle. This does have a retail value of $40, and it's a multitasking cleanser exfoliant, so love that. The next item I'm excited about, and I've been seeing so many people like gripe about this, and I'm like, have you tried this? I love this. I have backups, pretty much one for every month for the whole entire year. This is a sponge gel. It's in cherry. Oh, this smells so good. I flippin' love these. This smells delicious. This almost smells similar to, I got my husband some sort of body wash, but I think it's almost like a unisex scent. And I love the scent of this, but this is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is great. Again, even if you don't sunless tan, this is great if you do sunless tan because it really helps to exfoliate the skin. It's not too harsh or too abrasive, but I love these. And when these are available in add-ons, I stock up. I get these as gifts as well. This is the Sponge Gel Terry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. It does have a retail value of 20 bucks. And I saw so many people say like, I don't want that. And I'm like, why not? These are amazing. And you guys even told me, because I know a lot of you guys have asked, like, don't they mold up? They're a sponge. I've never had an issue with that. And you guys said they actually have like a micro, wait, what's that called? I don't know. It's got something in there, microbial. I don't know why I can't speak. Oh my goodness. I need more caffeine. Anyways, there's something in there that helps that you don't have to worry about any of that. The next item I see in here is by Symbois London. It's a tightening replenishing eye mask, and it does have a retail value of $93. I love eye masks. This is a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask and cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, and it does have a retail value of $93. Wow. Okay, the next item I see here is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. I love this. I got this in PR actually. This is my paid box, but I did get this in PR and I really like it. It has a retail value of $23. It says prepare to be obsessed with the ultra-fine vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for up to 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. I love this stuff. I have it sitting right here and I do use it and I've been quite happy. So happy to have that in backup. The next item I see in here is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee Face Palette. I'm not going to swatch this one because I did receive this in PR, so this will be gifted. But I love this palette. I have not edited it yet, but it will be going up over, or maybe I did. I don't remember, but it will be going up over on Instagram if it's not already there. But this palette is awesome. It does have a retail value of $32. You've got your bronzer, you have a contour, 2 blushers, some highlighters. I know some people were like, I can't use that. You guys, this looks beautiful on the eyelids. It is so pretty. And I actually will mix both of these highlighters together and come up with a really gorgeous like highlighter, and I just love this palette. absolutely love it. The packaging is great. It's a standard type of cardboard packaging. You do get a mirror in here. So let's talk about which box is my favorite for the month. My PR Premium or my paid for base. You guys, I like the base box better. The $25 box, I think, was just an amazing box. I mean, for me, I definitely got my money's worth. I definitely got my $25 worth. So at the end of the day, my October base box is what I'm gonna give it to. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. To me, I don't worry about totaling it, the price of each box, because for me, that's not what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at which box had the higher amount. I'm looking at it as what I enjoy the most, what I'm most excited about. You know what I mean? So anyways, giving it to my base box for the month of October with Boxycharm. Of course, thank you again to Boxycharm for sending over the premium box for me to unbox for you guys. I greatly appreciate it. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Which box was your favorite, the premium or the base? Like I said, I'm giving it to the base for the month of October. Don't forget, there's a giveaway going on our channel right now, the 30K giveaway. I'll leave a video down below. Check that video out. You can go over there, enter in to win. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm November base box, you guys, I'm freaking geeking. Joe actually did a whole live video showing us the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette that is custom and only for Boxycharm. You won't find that palette anywhere else. So I'm like, fingers flipping crossed. I need that in my collection. You guys know my love of Natasha Denona. So if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, get on the wait list for the premium or the luxe, or get yourself the base box. I'll have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, just letting you guys know, so I will earn a little bit of a commission. But if you want to get in there and you want to get a base box and a chance to get that 5-pan Natasha Denona palette, then go ahead, check my link, sign up. I'll have it in the description box as well as in the comment section. And that is all for today, my friends. So make sure to follow me over on Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.